Here's how to avoid exhaust leaks like that with your Kooks products. You're not retorquing your header bolts and your ball and socket connection after a heat cycle. That's gonna lead to an exhaust leak and potentially blown out gaskets. You're not installing your ball and socket connection clamps correctly. What you wanna do with these guys is tighten them up to about 20 to 25 foot-pounds and then start the vehicle. Feel around the joint for leaks and tighten until those leaks disappear. You're aligning your exhaust rump. You need to align your exhaust with the body of the car, not the ground. That way it follows the natural rake of the car. Avoid these 3 mistakes to make sure that your Kooks look and sound like Kooks.